Hi there, this is video 4 in the Internet Marketing Starter Series, and in this video we're going to actually hook our domain name that we purchased in video 2 up to the hosting account we set up in video 3 and get things rock and rolling, create ourselves an email account and really get to the stage where we can start creating a actual website. So we've just got our information from HostGator. If we click here, this is all of our information. Just to go through this real quick, this is the domain, this is our username and our password, and we also have an IP address. Now we'll use this very shortly, and here's the important things. These are our new name servers. Now if you're not familiar with websites and this is all new to you, don't worry that we'll go through all of this. Just so you know, a name server is basically, think of it like a kind of internet yellow pages where any requests for the domain poolcarecleaning.com gets directed to these. These are like a directory of domain names that help match that domain name to an actual IP address. Imagine this like the street address of your house. And you can go directly to your website through this numbered IP address, but what name servers do is they match up really nice names to these actual street addresses. So although our actual website is going to be located here, we're going to use this nice way to point to these name servers, and then these name servers point to our IP address. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and log in to GoDaddy, and to do that we'll need our account information. So go to your GoDaddy information. That's what we want. So this is our customer number, so we'll take this and we'll come over here, put our customer number in here, and then our password when the computer allows me, and we'll log in. I'm going to get it to remember the password. Okay, so let's go over to when you log in, you're kind of presented with all the information about your account, summaries and anything else, maybe some expiration notices if you have lots of domains. But we're going to go over to Domain Manager, and that takes us to a new screen. It takes a few seconds to come up, and we're going to get the name servers. Here we go. Here's our domain currently. And if we select that, you'll see all these options come across the top of the screen. And if you click on this one here, which is name servers, this will allow us to change our name servers. Now currently they're parked name servers, which are parked here with GoDaddy. And if I open up a new tab, let me show you. If we go to poolcarecleaning.com, and you'll see currently this goes to a kind of GoDaddy parked page, and we'll close that. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to change it to custom name servers, where I host my domains elsewhere, which is what we're doing right now with HostGator. So choose that, and they'll show you, okay, these are the current ones it's set to. What we need to do is go back to our email and find our HostGator information here. And come on, okay, there we go. And we can take these and NS1313 and 1314, and we'll copy these, bring them over here, paste them in, and we'll do this same with the second one. I copy and paste them just to make sure I'm typing them right. Usually they're sequential, in that it's like 1313 and 1314. It could be any combination thereof, but it's safer to copy and paste them, and it automatically uppercases them for you. So NS1313 and 1314, go double check, make sure that you've copied these right, do a kind of visual verification, and if you're happy with that, then go back over here, click OK, and it takes just a few minutes. Now that actually happened really quick. Now one thing to note is it does take anywhere from a few minutes to even a few hours for the domain name changes and the name server changes to take effect. Now this is because when you make these changes, they've got to update name servers across the world, including the ones on your own computer, so that you can see that, hey, this name now points not to GoDaddy, but to your HostGator account. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stop this video, and we'll resume in the next video about configuring our control panel and setting up an email account and some other little bits and pieces once that's pointed. So I'll see you in video 5.